The first sunrise on a planet with two stars reflected perfectly off the liquid diamond ocean, casting shadows of alien mountains made entirely of frozen light. The statement describes an extraordinary scenario that is entirely beyond human experience or reality, making it something likely never said before. Here's a breakdown. 1. The first sunrise on a planet with two stars. This refers to a planet in a binary star system, where two stars orbit each other. A sunrise on such a planet would be unique and spectacular because the interplay of light from two suns would create a surreal atmosphere. 2. Reflected perfectly off the liquid diamond ocean. Liquid diamond could theoretically exist under extreme pressure and temperature conditions, such as those found in the cores of gas giants like Neptune or Uranus. This imagines an ocean made entirely of liquid diamond, which is exotic and far removed from Earth's water-based oceans. 3. Casting shadows of alien mountains made entirely of frozen light. The concept of frozen light is purely speculative and metaphorical. It could suggest a type of material or structure that interacts with light in an unknown or impossible way, such as capturing and solidifying photons. This description combines speculative science and poetic imagination to depict an otherworldly environment. It's a creative exploration of possibilities in the universe that humans have never directly observed or experienced. During a magnetic storm, the crystalline trees resonated in perfect harmony, their voices vibrating through the air like a haunting symphony of glass and wind. Explanation: this imagines an alien planet where trees are made of a crystalline material that vibrates under electromagnetic influences, such as magnetic storms. The vibrations create a musical sound, something akin to wind chimes, but amplified and structured like a symphony. This scenario blends the physics of resonance with a poetic twist, creating an otherworldly phenomenon. The moon that weeps liquid gold. As the moon passed its closest orbit, golden tears fell from its surface, lighting up the planet below with a shimmering cascade of liquid metal. Explanation: this describes a celestial body whose surface exudes a molten, metallic substance, possibly a hypothetical liquid gold-like material, during tidal forces exerted by a nearby planet. It reflects a unique geological and astronomical interplay, where the moon's proximity causes its core to heat and release this liquid substance. A star that sings its own name. The pulsar's rhythmic flashes align so perfectly that the electromagnetic waves, when decoded, form the sounds of a language none could understand. A star singing its own cosmic name. Explanation: pulsars are known to emit rhythmic radio waves. This scenario imagines a pulsar whose emissions, when processed through advanced technology, form audible patterns resembling speech or song. The idea anthropomorphizes the star, attributing it a name, created naturally by its unique emissions, a concept blending astrophysics and abstract thought. The shadow of a being made of light. When the creature made entirely of photons passed by, its shadow was not darkness, but a void of existence, bending the reality around it into infinite nothingness. Explanation: a creature composed entirely of light would theoretically cast no shadow in the conventional sense, as shadows require physical matter to block light. However, this idea proposes a paradox. The creature's shadow is an absence of reality itself, caused by its interaction with the fabric of space-time. This stretches the boundaries of physics into speculative metaphysics. Each example pushes the limits of human imagination and known science, creating phenomena that blend speculative science, philosophy, and poetic interpretation of the unknown.